Dear students, welcome to my 7th class 1 module 4 vector space and orthogonality. In this lecture video, we're gonna see about basis and dimensions and problems on basis and dimensions. What is basis? Let V be a vector space over a field F. A subset B of V is called a basis of V with two conditions. The first condition is B is an linearly independent vector and B spans V. So with these two conditions, we can say that B is a basis of the vector space V. Finite dimensional vector space. A vector space V is said to be a finite dimensional if it has finite basis. Dimension. The dimension of a finite dimensional vector space V over a field F is the number of elements in a basis of V, and it is denoted by the notation dim of V. And note, a standard basis for R power 3 is ijk, where I is nothing but a vector 1, 0, 0, and j is nothing but 0, 1, 0, and k is nothing but 0, 0, 1. The standard basis for R power n is R1, R2, etc. Rn, where R1 is given by 1, 0, 0, 0, and so on 0. R2 is given by 0, 1, so on 0. Rn is given by 0, 0, and so on 1. The standard basis for Pn of x is given by 1, x, x square, and so on x power n. The standard basis for m cross n matrix space is given by Eij. It is equal to 1 less than or equal to I less than or equal to m, and 1 less than or equal to j and less than or equal to n. And in Eij, the value of Eij is given by Aij, and this Aij is equal to 1, and it is 0 for other entries. Problems. Problem number 1. Determine the set of vectors 1, 2, 3, minus 2, 1, 3, 3, 1, 0 is a basis of R power 3 or not. Like, to check the basis, we have to satisfy two conditions. The B must be linearly independent and B spans V. So I'm going to consider alpha 1 is equal to 1, 2, 3. Alpha 2 is equal to minus 2, 1, 3. Alpha 3 is equal to 3, 1, 0. Now, the first thing I'm going to check this alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 is linearly independent or not. So for that, I'm going to consider C1 alpha 1 plus C2 alpha 2 plus C3 alpha 3 is equal to 0. So it will be equal to C1 into 1, 2, 3 plus C2 into minus 2, 1, 3 plus C3 into 3, 1, 0 is equal to 0. By expanding this matrix, I got the equations like C1 minus 2C2 plus 3C3 is equal to 0, 2C1 plus C2 plus C3 is equal to 0, and 3C1 plus 3C2 is equal to 0. I got three system of equations with three unknowns. I am going to take that system of equation in the form of augmented matrix. So I got the matrix like A is equal to 1, minus 2, 3, 0, 2, 1, 1 is equal to 0, 3, 3, 0 is equal to 0. Now I'll be calling the row 1 as R1, row 2 as R2, row 3 as R3. So now I'll be performing series of row transformation to get an echelon form. The first operation is R2 is equal to R2 minus 2R1, R3 is equal to R3 minus 3R1 to make the first entries of R2 and R3 row 0. Like, after this row transformations, I got a matrix like A is equal to 1, minus 2, 3 is equal to 0, 0, 5, minus 5 is equal to 0, 0, 9, minus 9 is equal to 0. Now, I'm going to make the one more row transformation, that is R3 implies 5 R3 minus 9 R2. To convert the last row as 0, I'm doing this operation. So like, after this transformation, I got the equation like matrix like A is equal to 1 minus 2, 3 is equal to 0, 0, 5 minus 5 is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0 is equal to 0. And here we have to note that that last row is completely 0. So with this we can say that the C3 is a free variable. So I'll be assuming that C3 is equal to K. So if C3 is equal to K, we cannot express C1, C2, C3 as 0. Hence we got C1 is equal to, C2 is equal to, C3 is not equal to 0. Hence the given vectors alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 are linearly dependent. Hence we can't find basis. Therefore it is not a basis of R power 3. Problem number 2. Show that the set B is equal to 1, 1, 0. 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1 is a basis of the vector space V3 of R. So first I am going to consider three vectors alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3. Alpha as 1, 1, 0, alpha 2 as 1, 0, 1, alpha 3 as 0, 1, 1. Now take the equation C1 alpha 1 plus C2 alpha 2 plus C3 alpha 3 is equal to 0. With this equation I got the equation like C1 into 1, 1, 0 plus C2 into 1, 0, 1 plus C3 into 0, 1, 1 is equal to 0. By expanding this equation, I got three system of equations with three unknowns, that is C1 plus C2 is equal to 0, C1 plus C3 is equal to 0, C2 plus C3 is equal to 0. Now taking these three equations in terms of augmented matrix, I got the augmented matrix A is equal to 1, 1, 0 is equal to 0, 1, 0, 1 is equal to 0, 0, 1, 1 is equal to 0. Now I'll be performing series of row transformation to get echelon form. I'll be calling row 1 as R1, row 2 as R2, row 3 as R3. I'm going to convert first the first entry of R to row 0. The operation R2 implies R2 minus R1. So I got the matrix like A is equal to 1, 1, 0 is equal to 0, 0 minus 1, 1 is equal to 0, 0, 1, 1 is equal to 0. Now to make the last row 0 partially, the operation is R3 implies R3 plus R2. So I got the matrix like A is equal to 1, 1, 0 is equal to 0, 0 minus 1, 1 is equal to 0, 0, 0, 2 is equal to 0. So with this matrix we can say that 2C3 is equal to 0. It implies we'll be getting C3 is equal to 0. Similarly, minus C2 plus C3 is equal to 0. So it will be equal to C2 is equal to 0 we'll be getting, and C1 plus C2 is equal to 0, which so we'll be getting C1 is equal to 0. So hence we got all the scalars C1, C2, C3 as 0. Hence we can say that the given vectors are linearly independent. Now I am going to find the span. So consider x1, x2, x3 belongs to V3 of R, and C1, C2, C3 belongs to the field R. So consider x1, x2, x3 is equal to C1 into 1, 1, 0 plus C2 into 1, 0, 1 plus C3 into 0, 1, 1. Now I am going to represent this equation in the form of augmented matrix like this. I got B is equal to 1, 1, 0 is equal to x1, 1, 0, 1 is equal to x2, 0, 1, 1 is equal to x3. Now same thing again, we'll be performing a series of row transformation to get echelon form. First I am taking R2 is equal to R2 minus R1. I got this equation matrix B is equal to 1, 1, 0, x1, 0, minus 1, 1, x2 minus x1, 0, 1, 1, x3. Now the next operation is R3 implies R3 plus R2. I got the matrix like 1, 1, 0, x1, 0, minus 1, 1, x2 minus x1, 0, 0, 2 is equal to x3 plus x2 minus 1. Now I am going to get three system of equations to find the scalar C1, C2, C3. From the last one I got 2C3 is equal to x3 plus x2 minus x1. So I got C3 is equal to x3 plus x2 minus x1 by 2. From the second row I got minus C2 plus C3 is equal to x2 minus x1. So I got the value of C2 is equal to C3 minus x2 minus x1. So it will be equal to x3 plus x2 minus x1 by 2 minus of x2 minus x1. So I got C2 is equal to x1 minus x2 plus x3 by 2. From the first row I got C1 plus C2 is equal to x1. So I got C1 is equal to x1 minus C2. It will be equal to x1 minus x2 plus x3 by 2. So I got C1 is equal to x1 plus x2 minus x3 by 2. So hence I got a span equation, that is x1, x2, x3 will be equal to x1 plus x2 minus x3 by 2 into 1, 1, 0 plus x1 minus x2 plus x3 by 2 is equal to into 1, 0, 1 plus x3 plus x2 minus x2 by 2 into 0, 1, 1. So hence we can say that B is the basis of the vector space V3 of R. Problem number 3. Find the set S, form a basis for R power 3 and find its dimension also. S is given by 1, 2, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 0, 1. So first I'm going to check that this S vector is linearly independent or not. I'm going to consider alpha 1 is equal to 1, 2, 0, alpha 2 is equal to 1, 1, 1, alpha 3 is equal to 2, 0, 1. So take the equation C1 alpha 1 plus C2 alpha 2 plus C3 alpha 3 is equal to 0. So it will be equal to C1 into 1, 2, 0 plus C2 into 1, 1, 1 plus C3 into 2, 0, 1 is equal to 0. By expanding this, I got three system of equations with three unknowns, that is C1 plus C2 plus 2C3 is equal to 0, 2C1 plus C2 is equal to 0 and C2 plus C3 is equal to 0. I got it. So now framing the augmented matrix to get a echelon form, I am going to perform some series of row transformation. So the matrix A is given by 1, 1, 2 is equal to 0, 2, 1, 0 is equal to 0, 0, 1, 1 is equal to 0. I am taking the row 1 as R1, row 2 as R2, row 3 as R3. To make the first entry of R2 0, the operation is R2 implies R2 minus 2 R1. So like after row transformation, I got the matrix like A is equal to 1, 1, 2, 0, 0, minus 1, minus 4, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Now to make the last row partially 0, the operation is R3 implies R3 plus R2. So I got the equation like matrix like A is equal to 1, 1, 2, 0, 0, minus 1, minus 4, 0, 0, 0, minus 3, 0. So with the last row I can get the equation like minus 3C3 is equal to 0. It implies C3 is equal to 0. From the row 2 I got minus C2 minus 4 C3 is equal to 0. Since C3 is 0, I got C2 also 0. From first row I got the equation C1 plus C2 plus 2 C3 is 0. Since C2 and C3 is 0, I'll be getting C1 also 0. So hence I got C1 is equal to C2 is equal to C3 is equal to 0. Hence the given set of vectors alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 are linearly independent. So hence this matrix having a 3 non-zero rows, the dimension of the matrix will be equal to 3. Now I'm going to find the span. So consider x1, x2, x3 belong to V3 of R and c1, c2, c3 belongs to R. So consider x1, x2, x3 is equal to c1 into 1, 2, 0 plus c2 into 1, 1, 1 plus c3 into 2, 0, 1. So the augmented matrix will be given by B is equal to 1, 1, 2 is equal to x1, 2, 1, 0 is equal to x2, 0, 1, 1 is equal to x3. Now I'll be performing again the row transformation to get echelon form. The first operation is R2 implies R2 minus 2R1. So I got B is equal to 1, 1, 2 is equal to x1, 0, minus 1, minus 4 is equal to x2 minus 2x1, 0, 1, 1 is equal to x3. The next operation is R3 implies R3 plus R2. So I got B matrix is 1, 1, 2 is equal to x1, 0, minus 1, minus 4 is equal to x2 minus 2x1, 0, 0, minus 3 is equal to x3 plus x2 minus 2x1. So now I'm going to make three equations to find the scalar c1, c2, c3. From the last row I got minus 3c3 is equal to x3 plus x2 minus 2x1. I got c3 is equal to 2x1 minus x2 minus x3 by 3. From the second row I got minus c2 minus 4c3 is equal to x2 minus 2x1. I got c2 is equal to minus 4c3 minus x2 minus 2x1. So I got the value of c2 is equal to minus 2x1 plus x2 plus 4x3 by 3. From the first row I got c1 is equal to x1 minus c2 minus 2c3. So I got x1 is equal to minus of minus 2x1 plus x2 plus 4x3 by 3. So it will be equal to what? c1 is equal to x1 plus x2 minus 2x3 by 3. I got it. So hence I can able to write x1, x2, x3 as in the form of x1 plus x2 minus 2x3 by 3 into 1, 2, 0 plus minus 2x1 plus x2 plus 4x3 by 3 into 1, 1, 1 plus 2x1 minus x2 minus x3 by 3 into 2, 0, 1. So hence we can say that B is the basis of the vector space V3 of R. Okay, in the next lecture video, we'll be discussing the 4 fundamental subspaces and the problems on 4 fundamental subspaces. Thank you.